So I decided to make a potato soap to address some skin blemishes on my face. But not just an ordinary potato soap, a creamy, all-natural potato soap that had ingredients in it that was going to superpower its skin benefits. Not only am I going to include a recipe in this video, I'm going to also give you 6 incredible ingredients that's going to superpower the skin benefits this soap has to offer and increase the lather. Join me in this ingredient spotlight: potato. Good day, awesome people. My name is Natasha and welcome everybody. The first step is to prepare our potatoes. So let's go ahead and wash them, chop them, shred them, juice them, and puree them. My recipe requires 425 grams of water to mix with lye to make soap. I decided to take a portion of that and make it potato water. So I'm going to pour off 250 grams. Our first ingredient is sugar. If you want to increase the lather in your cold process soap, add sugar to your lye water solution. The sugar is going to help us in this recipe because we'll get more lather and we can spread it further and use less soap. What are some potato skin benefits? Potatoes are naturally anti-inflammatory. It improves your complexion, it brightens your skin tone, it's rich in vitamins, and it helps to reduce inflamed acne. Ingredient number 2 that's going to superpower this soap is avocado. Rich in vitamin E, beta-carotene, vitamin D, it acts as a protectant and a healer for your skin. It's very good for individuals who have dry or sensitive skin types. Now, potatoes are also known to be used for face brightening, skin brightening, and reducing suntans and sunspots. Potatoes contain azelaic acid, which is known to brighten skin and reduce the appearances of blemishes, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and scars. Our next ingredient is vitamin E. And although this exists naturally in cocoa butter and shea butter, vitamin E helps to hold and maintain moisture in your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft, and it also helps to reduce wrinkles, so we need it in our soap. The next ingredient to add to superpower our soap is aloe vera. Aloe vera contains saponins, which has an antiseptic effect. Basically, what this means is it's great for killing bacteria that can cause breakouts in your skin. So putting this in soap would help to reduce inflammation, help to prevent infection, and help to prevent irritation. It's actually acting as an antibacterial. Another superpower ingredient I'm adding to my soap is rice water. Rice water is known to moisturize the skin and leaving it soft. It helps to reduce dark spots and red dark spots from acne and sunspots. It's known to be an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory, which means it will help with irritation in the skin. It's controversially known to have a whitening effect on the skin. Now, I'm not sure how true that is, but its purpose in this is to help reduce irritation and create softness. And our last ingredient we adding to superpower this soap is kaolin or kaolin clay. Now, kaolin clay gently exfoliates the skin. It helps to deep cleanse. It helps to refine pores, absorb excess oil, and soothe irritation. Now, guys, I have to have a brief discussion with you about how I replace some of the liquid required to make this soap by using the potato water and other ingredients. So my recipe requires 425.24 grams of water. Instead of me using the water, I decided to use other ingredients to replace that liquid. So we have 250 grams of potato water, 75 grams of potato shreds, aloe vera, and rice water. Those liquids add up to equal to or a little more than the water requirement needed to make my soap. So notice I made sure my potato water was more than the amount needed to dilute my lye. Did you know that potato juice could be used as a toner for your face? I know, it's a natural astringent. You can take the juice, put it on a cotton ball. It's supposed to help to contract your pores and tone your skin. Add just a pop of color. I'm going to be adding Himalayan rhubarb extract powder that's been infused in sunflower oil. This is a natural way to color your soap without using any synthetic micas. Botanicals like Himalayan rhubarb are excellent at naturally coloring your soap. If you're interested in seeing how I infuse sunflower oil with botanicals, check out the video that I'm going to link at the top or in the description below. So now we got all our natural ingredients and our soap boosting ingredients in our soap batter, and I'm adding eucalyptus and lavender essential oil. I do not want to add any synthetic fragrances in this. I want to add essential oils, and I also don't have any type of micas in this at all. I know I've added a lot of additives to this soap, but if you guys just shredded your potato and add it, you'd be just as good. Can we just take a moment and look at how creamy this soap batter looks? This looks so rich and creamy. You know, in doing research on potatoes, I didn't realize how much of a powerhouse potatoes were in helping with your skin. It still always amazes me how things that grow from Mother Earth, that are created naturally in nature, can have so much benefit for our skins. And I just feel like that's not a coincidence. That's on purpose. We just need to figure out ways to use natural alternatives to helping our skin. Don't you agree? I mean, am I crazy? I didn't have a specific design plan for this soap. I just knew that I wanted to make a potato soap that was great for your skin, that would help with moisture, that would help with blemishes. I'm not trying to change my melanin. I love the skin that I'm in. What I wanted to do is address some of the blotches that I have on my skin naturally. And adding those additives to it that we added, the aloe vera and the kaolin clay and the rice water, all of those things together in this soap, including this in my skincare routine, is going to just take my skincare routine to a whole other level. I mean, you can do this. This is not even hard. You can definitely create this soap and add it to your skincare routine also. Right now, I'm just doing the tops, and then we're going to go ahead and cut the soap. Look at the top of this soap. It looks like creaminess. Does it not look like creamy awesomeness? It looked like Sugar Daddy. Like, y'all remember that Sugar Daddy? The Sugar Daddy candy? Or what's the other one I didn't like? Was it Mary Jane's? It looked like Mary Jane candy. I think it's called Mary Jane. But this soap looked creamy. I cannot wait to cut it. I really can't wait to use it. So are you guys ready for this creamy potato soap cut? All right, now hold on to your potato spuds. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. It's natural, it's beautiful, it's great for your skin, it's everything. Look at the tops of these soaps, you guys. Look at the tops of it. Even the design, although simple, is just enough. Look at how the soap looks just creamy and smooth. This came out beautiful. We got in this soap, guys. We got potato skin, we got potato juice, we got aloe vera, we got vitamin E, We got rice water. We got kaolin clay. We got sugar and avocado oil. And I hope that you guys make this soap. But it feels so good. And when I did actually finally get a chance to suds it up, oh my goodness. The lather was lathering, you guys. It felt beautiful on the skin. My skin felt so soft, you guys. Get your ingredients. You need to gather them together. You need to turn on my video and you need to make this soap. This soap is our #1 winner for sure. At this point, you should know a whole lot about potatoes and a whole lot about potato soap. If you like this video, please click on this one right here. I know you're going to enjoy it. Protect your energy, and I'll see you on the next one.